RS-232 and RS-485 are two serial communication standards that have been around for decades, yet they continue to play vital roles in modern technology. So, what's the difference? RS-232 is a point-to-point protocol, meaning it connects one device to another, typically over short distances, up to about 50 feet. It's great for simple applications, like connecting a computer to a modem. However, it struggles with noise and interference, especially over longer distances. On the other hand, RS-485 is designed for multi-point communication. It can connect multiple devices on a single network, allowing for distances up to 4,000 feet. This makes it ideal for industrial applications where devices need to communicate over long distances in noisy environments. Why are RS-232 and RS-485 still in use? Despite being decades old, RS-232 and RS-485 have unique strengths that make them indispensable in many applications. Simplicity. Both protocols are straightforward to implement, requiring minimal setup and no complex software layers. Reliability. RS-485's noise immunity and RS-232's simplicity make them robust for industrial environments. Legacy systems. Many industrial and embedded systems still rely on RS-232 and RS-485, ensuring backward compatibility. Cost-effectiveness. These standards are inexpensive to implement compared to modern alternatives. Specialized use cases. RS-232 is ideal for simple, direct connections between devices. RS-485 excels in multi-device, long-distance, and noisy environments, such as factory floors, PLCs, and SCADA systems. While modern technologies like Ethernet, USB, and wireless communication dominate, RS-232 and RS-485 continue to hold their ground in specific industries due to their reliability, cost-effectiveness, and ability to operate in harsh environments. Whether it's a point-to-point connection or a multi-device network, these protocols remain essential in industrial automation and beyond.